Hi, this is an unboxing of my new Cross Star Wars Tech 3 pen. So this is an outer box that it comes in, looks like that. Like that. Very nice packaging. You can here see the description right there. So, Cross Tech 3, Darth Vader. Okay, so let's open the outer box. And there's the inner box. Looks like that. Very nice presentation. It's like that. Got hinges in the back. So let's open it up. Ta-da! And zoom out just a little bit. Okay. And sorry about that poor lighting. So here's a little cover styrofoam thing. No, it's not styrofoam, it's foam. It's foam. And there's the actual pen. So let's get this up close here. And you can see right here, Darth Vader. There you go. Darth Vader's still alive. Okay. So this is a unique pen, for me anyway, because it has 3 different tips. So you turn the barrel right here, and let's see, let me come around the other side of the camera so you can see what I'm doing. So you turn it to the left, and that is the pencil. Keep turning, there's a pen, and keep turning, that's the red pen. And that's the pencil again, then the black pen, and the red pen, and there's the pencil. And to get the, I think what you do to make the pencil lead come out is, you push down on the barrel like this. You push it that way, and the lead comes out. So I'm going to put the lead back in by pushing that same direction and pushing it in. So there you go. That's how that works. Really attractive pen. So, my camera's not the best at close-up focusing, but hey, at least I'm on a tripod. I'm not waving my phone around like so many people do. Gives you vertigo. So at this end right here, you've got a tip for, it's a capacitive stylus tip. So you can use it on your phone, on your tablet, or whatever device is compatible with the capacitive stylus. So that's one of the things that attracted me to this pen. That plus it feels fairly heavy and substantial. So what you do is you just unscrew this back, and now you got an eraser. Very clever. So you've actually got 4 different devices in one. You got a pencil, eraser, red pen, and black pen. 4 devices. And of course, always at your side. What is thy bidding, my master? Okay, so that's that. Put that back in there. And in the top of the box here, you've got paperwork. And okay, so it says 1846 USA, but this particular pen was not made in USA. It was made in China. So they show all these people working with cross pens, like authors signing books. So, pursuing greatness since 1846. Okay, oh, there we go. So this is a little card. It comes with this. And no, it says right here. Tech 3, Darth Vader Special Edition. Once a heroic Jedi Knight, Darth Vader was seduced by the dark side of the Force. He became a Sith Lord and led the Empire's eradication of the Jedi Order. Continuing his service to the Emperor, he enforced his master's will to seek and crush the fledgling Rebel Alliance. Darth Vader is a terrifying union of man and machine, cloaked in black robes and forbidding armor. He commands the Emperor's massive Imperial fleet and rules with terror. Congratulations on owning this very special cross collectible honoring the timeless classic Star Wars. So yeah. Oh, you are now a member of the elite Galactic Empire and the Cross family. Wow. Welcome, and may the Force be with you. Wow. Okay, so I'll put that away. And that's that. Put that back in the lid. And that's that. So, also got a Cross Tech 2 pen. So this one does not have the 4 different things, it's just a pen. No pencil. So, I got this on eBay. It comes with a extra blue refill and a black refill and an extra eraser and an extra tip, which is nice. This is also a capacitive stylus. So I'm not altogether sure this is actual Cross. It looks kind of cheesy packaging, but who can say? So let's just pull this off of here. Open it up. There we go. And there's that. This is the junk. And this is a Tech 2 pen. Much lighter than the Star Wars pen. Yeah, well, maybe not. Pretty close. So that is very smooth. Same kind of cross action you've come to know. Turn the pens like that. So, yeah. See if I can get this to focus. Come on. Maybe if I zoom in a little bit, it'll focus. No, it's just not cooperating. Just not cooperating. This is not my best camera, but it was small and light. Alright, so that's that. And so, yeah, you can unscrew the tip right here and put a new stylus point in it if you want when this one gets worn down. So that's nice. That's a nice feature. Okay. Also made in China. Okay, so let's put this back in the box. Pretty nice box, actually. It's a felt right here, soft felt. So just this outer box looks kind of cheesy, not the highest quality. Nothing like the Star Wars box. Okay, that's that. Now, let's get all this junk out of here. This is a pen case that I bought right here. And got a couple of zippers. Let's zoom out a little bit. There we go, so you can get a better look at that. And this is where I store all the rest of my pens. So in here, you're going to see, aha, look at that. So that's my other cross pens. Let's see if I can prop this up. There we go. And zoom in. There we are. So what you see there is This pen right here, I don't know what it's called. It's different than any other cross pen I have. It might be a Townsend, I don't know. It's definitely a ballpoint pen, as you can see right here. It's smooth and works really well. This one is different than all the rest of my cross pens because this one was made in Japan. And I bought all these cross pens you're seeing now in the 80s. So maybe somebody can tell me where this cross pen, what the name of it is. So it's a nice pen, but definitely not the cross century. And this is a cross century pen. This is a 12 karat gold filled, and it has the select tip pen. So you open it up right there, it's got the select tip. Not a ball pen. Well, I guess you could put a ballpoint pen. I've always just used the roller ball in these, the gel pen. So same thing with this one. This is also the select tip. This is the black matte with gold accents, and it's a really nice pen. I've used this one quite a bit. So that's that. And at the top of the case right here, these are all Parker jotters. I dated these. These are all, I think, from 1992, I think. Something like that. Because these actually have a date stamp on them. So this is the all chrome one right here, the Parker jotter. So that's a nice pen. And oh, here's more cross pens. Okay. And these right here, I gotta prop this up. Let's see if I can. Obviously, I don't have a studio to do this. This is just an impromptu setup. So let's just see if I can't adjust the camera a little bit. Alright, do that, and how do I prop it up so that you can still see it? Alright, I'm going to have to adjust the camera. That's all there is to it. Okay. Now, see the rest of my cross pens. So these are all, again, the classic Century pens. Pen and pencil set in gray, matte gray, and pen and pencil set in lustrous chrome. These have logos on them. I can pull one out, let you see if you can see that. So yeah, this one doesn't say cross on it. It has a company logo right here. So, of a company that doesn't exist anymore. And then the bottom one here is the gold lustrous chrome with the gold accents. So these are all nice pens. All of these pens are made in USA, as well as these three cross pens. Except for this one. That was made in Japan. Sorry. So that's pretty much it for my pen review for the day. Just really wanted to show you the unboxing of the Star Wars pen because it's my first new cross pen in over 30 some years, and so I'm looking forward to using that mostly as a stylus, believe it or not. But then the nice thing is when you need a pen or a pencil or an eraser, you got it. It's right there in one pen. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and that's it. Signing out. Bye.